Are you a realtor struggling to get your listing sold? Imagine walking into a property that sparkles, smells fresh, and feels inviting. That's where TidyTex Home Cleaning steps in. As a proud veteran-owned business in San Antonio, we specialize in preparing homes for sale with our reliable and professional cleaning services. We understand that first impressions matter, especially during open houses or buyer visits. A clean home not only enhances its appeal, but also helps close deals faster and boosts buyer confidence. With our flexible turnarounds, we ensure your property is ready in no time, allowing you to focus on what you do best, selling homes. Here's a quick tidy tip for you. Open all the blinds and turn on the lights before a showing. It makes the space feel brighter, more welcoming, and highlights the home's best features. Let TidyTex give your listings the sparkle they need to shine. Ready to make your next property showing unforgettable? Check our video description for more details and contact us today for a cleaning that converts listings into sold signs. Your success is just a clean away.